What up, guys? Welcome back to another one. We're gonna be putting an intake, yeah, in the good old 3.7 F150 Eco, dude. Hopefully it sounds good. We'll put some clips right now of like what it sounds like right now, and then whenever we throw it on, we'll take some more. So yeah, we'll see you guys when that happens. So we got all the parts out of the box. We're gonna start taking shit off. But first we're gonna do a little vroom vroom for you guys to hear what it sounds like stock, and then whenever we put it on, we'll do another one. All right, we're gonna start by taking off this shit, all the black plastic, you know. It's real quick and simple. Oh, see this bad boy? Look at this. Like, what the fuck is this gonna do for me? Nothing. Needs a new one. All right, so we're gonna take off this bad boy. You know, we're just pretty much just gonna undo all these O clamps. You know, gotta get this one back here. Got it. Yeah. So pretty much this whole Y is gonna come off. Don't forget to take out your sensor. Okay, you kind of need this. Maybe. No fucking idea. I don't know how to take it out. For your sensor, if there's a little notch right there, it's gonna want you to twist it. Okay, so what you wanna do is you wanna twist it the other way, because if you twist it this way, you're not gonna get anywhere. Why? Because there's a little fucking notch right there, right? So you just gotta grab something and twist it. Not too rough though. You wanna be nice and... Oh, fuck. You break it free, right, and you're able to spin it. You can look in here and you can see little notches. I'm not gonna be able to show you guys. You're just gonna have to do it yourself, but you'll see where it slides in and out of. We're just gonna have to find it. I can't see. So boom, we got it out. This is the little piece that's in there. Try not to touch the tip of it. You just want to put it back in on the big end, the little end. Big end right there. You just got to push it back right there. That should be good. Twist it. It's going to look kind of funky wonky because it doesn't have really a little casing that it goes around, so it's just going to be that. This is all it's got right here. Maybe. Hold on. I think it comes with more. Okay, we're gonna take this bad boy off. Going the wrong way. Right. Oh. All right. So all we pretty much had to do was take out these two little clips that sit in the front, right? And then there's this on the bottom. They sit in these. So once you get this bolt off, these two clips off, you just gotta pull it up and it'll come out. And then there's these that sit in there too, these little clips. And then this is what holds this shit to go into your sensor. So this one with the big end that goes to the little end, if you guys buy the same one, just fits right onto this fat side. This big clamp goes right there. And then once this is sitting like this little one goes onto this to here. And then that small side sits on right here. And then we'll just put the filter on. We'll put the heat shield fucking thing around it, and yeah. Threw this back in because we did a little bit more research, and if we would have kept it out, wouldn't have done anything good. So just throw everything back together. Bow. All right. Bow. Now that it's all in, now we can throw the filter on and then the heat shield. Just make sure you tighten everything, because I forgot to tighten this bad boy down. That'd have been a bad one. Yeah, it looks pretty clean. Boom, we got the bracket on. Little bolt, little spacer. Bad boy on. This fucker doesn't move. It's a little bit flimsy, but it doesn't move. Now we just gotta throw the filter on. See what she looks like. All right, once we got her in, don't forget to plug it back in. Bow. That's all she does. Take some good little film of the build projects we had.
What's going on, guys?
Alright guys, we just got to the car wash. We're about to wash our trucks up a little bit. Make them look a little bit clean. You know, we got the towels to dry them off, make them look all brand new. And then we're gonna go take some rollers. Yeah, should be pretty fun.
Alright guys, so right now we're in the back of the fucking truck getting the fucking rollers. Ooh. Nah, they look better on here.
And I don't wish you well when you wait with me. All and I don't wish you well when you wait with me. All and I don't wish you well when you wait with me. I want you cry, yeah.
So as you know, we're in the middle of taking rollers. We didn't get too many shots on this mountain. But when we go to Anaconda, we'll get some more shots for the channel.
Scrub the dub this fucker down one more time, dude. Just went out into the dirt after freshly washing it. Fuck, man. It's like
Middle Canyon didn't work out.
why not?
Michael's rollers. Roads are too small.
This one? Look at that. Show the road. You
Might be right. Might be right about that.
Alright guys, so we just wrapped up the rollers. We're headed down to Walmart, gonna go get some fucking snacks and shit. Don't know if there's gonna be a video tomorrow. I guess stay tuned to find out. We'll try to get one out to you guys, but you know how it goes, dude. Fucking work.
Alright guys, so this is gonna be the end of the fucking video. Of course, as you can see, there's a fire behind us. We were kind of just strolling around, you know, boom, we see a big old fucking thing of smoke, right? Right there, good old Twilly, Utah. Fucking, it's exciting, dude, something to do. But there's a fire currently burning a house. Everybody's screaming at each other. They're mad at each other for some reason. Like, we got to come together as a community. We fucking like work on what we're gonna do. Everybody get their water hoses. Everybody get your fucking, go get cans of fucking water, dude. Go splash that shit on that fucker, dude. You know, like, do something. Yeah. Bro, it's fucking scary. We could blow up right now. We could literally blow up.
What the fuck you think about that shit, Aiden?
Dude, you get built. Pray for the family, you know, the community. 'Cause this is definitely something that not everybody wants to experience in their lifetime. But yeah, see you guys on the next.